Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to add sticker to CapCut using your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, open your CapCut app on your mobile device. After that, choose a project or video. Now, at the bottom, look for the sticker icon and tap on it. After that, tap the sticker that you want to add. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.